Hello viewers, tutorial 9 question 4. The following need to be differentiated by the product rule or the quotient rule. And in red there on screen you see what the two rules are in terms of the formula. So question A, we have 23x minus 4 multiplied by 3x squared minus x. So you've got two brackets there, and we're not going to expand out and differentiate because we want to practice using the product rule. So what's our u? U is the first bracket. U is 23x minus 4, and v here will be the second bracket, 3x squared minus x. So we need to differentiate those to get u dash and v dash. So u dash will be derivative of this thing is going to be 23, and that's it. And v dash is going to be differentiate 3x squared, we get 6x, minus differentiate x, we get 1. So your product rule is y dash is u dash v plus u times v dash, which is 23 multiplied by v, so u dash times v plus u times v dash. So we've got 23 times 3x squared minus x, and then we've got plus u is 23x minus 4 times v dash gives you 6x minus 1. Okay, question B, we have e to the 2x over sine of 2x. So we've got a function dividing a function, which tells us that we need to use the quotient rule. Function on top of function means use the quotient rule. So e to the 2x is going to be your u, and v is going to be sine of 2x. So if we differentiate both of those, u dash is going to be the derivative of e to the 2x, which is, when we differentiate an exponential, it's going to be the exponential stays the same, but we multiply by the derivative of the power. In this case 2x differentiates 2, so we need to multiply by 2. And what about the derivative of sine of 2x? Sine differentiates the cosine of 2x. That bracket stays the same, but we need to remember to multiply by the derivative of that bracket. Okay, so your quotient rule is y dash is u dash times v minus u times v dash divided by v squared, which is u dash is 2e to the 2x multiplied by v, which is the original denominator, sine of 2x. Then we've got minus u, which is e to the 2x multiplied by v dash, which is 2 times cosine of 2x, and that whole thing is divided by v squared, which is going to be v was sine of 2x, and that is squared. So we get 2e to the 2x sine 2x minus 2e to the 2x cos 2x all over sine squared of 2x. Okay, and then we need to differentiate another function, which is, now we need to use the product rule because we have two functions multiplying each other. So u is going to be the first bracket, which is e to the 5x plus tan x minus 2, and v is going to be the second bracket, 9x squared minus 8x plus pi squared. Okay, so we need to differentiate both of those. So u dash is going to be derivative of e to the 5x is e to the 5x times the derivative of 5x, which is 5. Tan differentiates the sec squared of x. 2 is just a number, so its derivative is 0. V dash is going to be differentiate 9x squared. We get 18 is 9 times 2, x to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 1, minus 8x differentiates to 8, and don't get fooled by the square in the pi squared. Pi is just a number, no x there, so pi squared is also just a number, which means differentiates to 0. So we're using the product rule here, so this is y dash is u dash v plus u v dash, which is going to be 5e to the 5x plus 6 squared of x. That's multiplied by 9x squared minus 8x plus pi squared, which is the original v, plus u is e to the 5x plus tan of x minus 2 multiplied by v dash, which is 18x minus 8. Okay, thanks for watching. Over and out.